welcome back to Dad's Garage. Today we're going to do a video on the Hogue handle and we're going to install it on the Sig P365. I did one of these on M&P Shield Performance Centers and it was an absolute bear to put it on. In fact, I got to the point where I almost quit and didn't put it on. I'm hoping this is going to be a little easier on this. I don't know if this would be the same as other SIGs, but a friend of mine did this on his SIG and he said it was a real bear to put on. So we'll see what we got. But this is called a Hogue handle, and I really liked it on the Shield when I put it on there. The Shield though is so narrow that it gave me a little extra width. This is probably about the same width, but for some reason it feels just a little wider to me. But I want to go ahead and do this anyway. So starting with these things, the first thing you want to do is really stretch these things out. And I have seen so many different instructions on these things. What comes with them, it says to cut this plastic into strips and use it. I had no luck with that with the Shield at all. It just didn't work. But then I looked at Hogue's video on it and it didn't say anything about cutting the strips. So I really don't know what they expected you to do. But the one thing for sure is stretching it out. And then I got some really hot water out of the water dispenser. So it's like make tea, make coffee type temperature. So it's super duper hot. You sure wouldn't want to put your finger in there. But I'm going to sit this thing in there for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and we're going to try to install this thing. Be right back. All right, we're back. We've given it about 4 or 5 minutes here. So I'm going to fish this thing out of there. Ooh, it is quite warm. Quite warm. So now we're going to stretch it out some more, and it stretches quite a bit easier when it's gotten hot. Now let's see what kind of fight we're in for here. I can tell you already, it's starting way better than it did with the Shield. Significantly better. The Shield, just getting it over that first lip took forever. It's just a fight. And this one, here we are, almost done already after just a couple of minutes. And I think we're on already. Holy smokes, that was fast. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Close the garage door so I don't freak any neighbors out. Yeah, that feels nice. That feels quite nice. I think I am very happy with that. Just gotta shoot it, but it feels good. It feels really good. A little more comfy. Still seems to have pretty good grip, but not quite the sandpaper of this original grip that's on it. Not that it really bothered me before, but anyway, I kind of like it with the finger separator. Helps you get a good grip. I like it. All right, now we know. The Hogue handle for the Sig P365 takes, I don't know, 3-4 minutes maybe. So that was very slick. So anyway, this was a much shorter video than I expected. I expected to be sweating and frustrated and all those other things, but hey, that went on beautifully. So gonna let you guys go earlier than I thought. So anyway, if you would please subscribe. And also, please give me those thumbs ups. I really appreciate that very much. And we'll keep bringing you more content and hopefully sharing a little bit of the experiences with you. So anyway, we'll see you next time on Dad's Garage. Thanks for coming.